welcome to another What I Eat in a Day vlog. I'm gonna make this intro really short and sweet because I actually have so much to do this morning. I have to make breakfast, make a matcha, I have to film a TikTok for Chickpeas, so I have to do that, and then I have to go to Coles, film some stuff, and go to Kmart and pick up some stuff and film some stuff while I'm there, and be back by, will be 4:10 because I have a client meeting at 10 and it is now 7:30. It's really annoying because the gym downstairs isn't open until 6 a.m. so I can't get there any earlier than 6. But yeah, and I had like 45 minutes on the bike. So I just got home, showered, got ready for the day, and yeah, I'm going to do all those things that I just said and take you guys along with me. Also, how's the bread situation? Freshly baked last night, the paleo bread. It's on my Instagram, it's in my recipe book. It's just so good. Home from Coles, Kmart, got it all done in record time. It's 20 to 10 now. So I have a client meeting at 10. So I've got to get ready for that very, very soon. But I wanted to open this calendar and I really don't know how exciting this is going to be. But I just needed something to physically write down. I feel like it's just the way that we learned when we were kids. I physically need to like write things down, like to plan out my content for the month. So
jeez.
It's hard. Just a simple calendar that I can put on my desk and then just plan it all out for the month. I also want to, before I go into this meeting, I got a feedback form that I want to go through. Oh, that's so nice. I love this lady.
Yeah?
She's so nice. Yeah. She's so sweet. The question's like, how could I better support you with your nutrition and wellness goals? And she said, you're an incredible support, Michaela. Your approach is so considered. There's no judgment and you're happy to answer all my questions, big or small. I love sharing my little wins with you. You're my cheerleader. And then it's like, is there any other feedback you would like to provide? She said, I'm just incredibly grateful for you and this program.
Beautiful.
Yeah, she's so sweet.
That's very nice.
She said she doesn't really experience any cravings anymore. Less bloated, less inflammation, no more puffy face. Energy and mental clarity have improved.
Yeah.
Better relationship with food, making better choices, and more comfortable with what and how she's eating. Just love that.
That's the goal.
So good.
Love it.
Did you break that?
That's chicken.
It is now lunchtime. I actually ended up having a little before you speak coffee. I'll actually show you what that looks like. The performance coffee, unsweetened, it's really good actually. I just had like client meetings and I just really like to be laser focused, and I love that coffee just makes you like dial in. So I wanted that for that, so I ended up just having that. I'm very cheeky because I already had a matcha. But yeah, I had that, and then I've put some electrolytes in my water bottle, some Element, and I've been sipping on that. But now it is lunchtime, so I'll show you what we're having. So we have just like a Mediterranean salad. There's chicken just with paprika, salt, pepper, and Italian herbs. Cucumber, sweet potato, air fried with paprika, salt, and pepper. And then I just air fried some chickpeas, half an avo, and then there's rocket underneath there as well. Oh, and some little cherry tomatoes. Yummy. It's also nice enough to eat outside now, which I love. It's been so cold, so it's just the best being able to eat outside now. What do you reckon? What are you reading there?
None of your business.
We just finished lunch. We usually take Chilli for a lap around the block after we eat every day. Just gets us moving. It's like a 700-meter walk, so it literally takes 10 minutes. And we obviously take her down to go to the toilet, so it just gets us out in the sun and moves our body. I feel so much better moving after I eat. Yeah, it's just good to like take a break from the screens for 10 minutes. But tonight we're going to Burleigh with some friends for like a sunset dinner. So we've got to leave earlier in the afternoon to get down there and like order food and sit down for sunset. So we are probably just going to take her for a bigger walk now. It's going to be hot, but that's fine. We'll take her for a big walk now, move the body, get her all tuckered out, and then this afternoon we don't need to take her for a little stroll. Also, this morning I had celery juice. So I've just been putting celery, lemon, turmeric, ginger, and water, and then just blending that, and then I like put it through a sifter to get all like the chunks out of it. But I added cayenne pepper this time, and whew, spicy, really fires you up in the morning. But I think that's all I had this morning. And then I just like a banana with some peanut butter and hemp seeds before I went down to the gym as a little pre-workout. But yeah, I wonder, are we gonna have a little, usually have like just a little something after lunch, but I haven't made anything. Usually have like a protein ball or something, but I think we might just have like a little date with some peanut butter or a little Brazil nut in it, which is so yum. The medjool dates, the one from Hoda Markets, they're just so good, so gooey and delicious. Have that, and then we'll take Chilli for a walk and then just get stuck into some more work. We probably don't have much of the afternoon or much of the day left to get some work in, so just smash out some work and then head down to Burleigh for a little sunset. We're on our way to dinner now, so we're 7 minutes away. I thought I'd check in. I think that we might be going, oh yeah, I think Ali sent this. What's it called? Piata Co?
It's 4 o'clock. Early dinner.
Early dinner, but basically by the time we order somewhere and get the food and then go down to like watch the sunset. But yeah, this place looks pretty good. It was like tacos kind of vibe.
Okay.
Don't know about the salami one she sent, but
I'm probably
the
probably mess
meatball
with that.
smash.
Meatball smash.
So yeah, I'll have a look
Get around that.
at there. Otherwise, I think that we might just get fish bowl, which is like super easy because it's literally the same sort of stuff that we have at home. It's just, you can get whatever base and everything that you want, but we usually just get some rice and then veggies and stuff and salad stuff,
Yeah.
and a source of protein, which is usually like beef or chicken.
Usually like kale and broccoli and stuff, and edamame beans and stuff. It's good.
Yeah, it is really yummy. The
Some
sun is not doing me any
Sun
favors
is
right now.
sunning right
The sun
now.
is sunning. But yeah, we didn't end up having an afternoon snack at all.
I
We
had a
just
date.
had, oh, you had a date? Yeah, I did. But I figured we had lunch a bit later than normal and we're having dinner earlier than normal, so I didn't really need anything. But we took Chilli for a walk and the Gold Coast show is on, and it was just very It was like sensory overload for her. There was a lot going on.
Yeah.
But it was good. It was just really, really hot, and she died at the end. She was like laying down in the shade, bless her.
Yeah, I carried her.
Yeah. But yeah, then I just did some work. I got pretty much everything that I wanted to get done today done, which was good. So now I'm ready to switch off for a bit, catch up with some pals, and enjoy some good food. Hi. So last night we went to, what do we end up getting? We end up getting fish bowl. I like just trying to pick something with just a bit more like nutrients, something that's gonna make me feel good. So I just got fish bowl, I just got the poached chicken, and then I just made my own bowl. I think I just had like kale, cucumber, beets, and then I had the sushi rice at avo and the lime dressing, and it was really good. Made me feel really good. And then we ended up getting yochi. Dave influenced me, and I actually felt really bloated after having that. I've never felt bloated after having yochi, and I had like this tiniest amount, so I low-key wish that I didn't get it. But I just got like the dairy-free chocolate with some strawberries and coconut flakes and some peanut butter. But yeah, I just felt like a bit average after that. So then I just had a digestive tea when I got home, and then we just went to bed. This morning I got up and I took Chilli for a walk, and then I had like my usual banana with peanut butter and hemp seeds for a little pre-workout, and then I just did a quick session on the bike. The bike has been my new bestie since I haven't been able to run. Just feels good to like get sweaty and get moving without having to like put the impact on my legs like running does. So that was nice. And then I made an element for the day because I knew I sweated heaps on the bike and we were going on a big walk and going to the beach and stuff, so I wanted to make sure that I had the electrolytes. So I made an element and we went to brekkie at Palm Springs, and it was actually really yum. I just got the chili scrambled with avocado and no chili oil, because chances are it's probably going to be like a vegetable oil, and I just know that chili oil just does not sound appealing to me when it already has chili jam on it. So I just opted for no oil, and yeah, I had the eggs as my protein on sourdough and added avo because I just have to have the avo, it's so good. Oh, and I had an ice long black with it. And then what did we do? Oh, and then we went to Burley Walk, which is so nice. You would have seen that. And went to Talabudra, went to the beach there. So nice. It's just so nice. Spring is here tomorrow, and it's just so nice to like get out in the sun and just not have to wear a jumper all the time and not be so cold all the time. So it was nice getting a bit of sun, went into the water, it was beautiful. And then we came home and we didn't have any food that we could have for lunch, so we just made what we would have had for breakfast, which was literally what we had for breakfast, well, what I had for breakfast today, which was just scrambled eggs with avo on the paleo bread, but it was yum. So anyway, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make dinner. I've actually got to get it on ASAP, to be honest. So I'm going to do like a slow cooked
honey soy chicken, which is in my recipe library, my recipe ebook. And I'll probably just do that on like a mash, sweet potato and cauliflower, just to make it really easy. So I'm going to put that on. I'll show you that. And then I am going to lock in for a little bit, do a little bit of work. I have some planning to do for the week ahead. And then tonight we're going to chill and watch House of Dragon. So yeah, that's what the rest of our day looks like. I just wanted to jump on and update you guys because I haven't been speaking to the camera, because that's just what happens, isn't it? You just get busy having fun. Anyway, let's go put dinner on.
I managed to get a fair bit of stuff done that I wanted to get done, which I'm stoked about. And now I'm just gonna make a little afternoon snack, which is just a smoothie on water, because I just don't feel like something super heavy, but I just want to get a little bit extra protein in. So I'm gonna have a protein smoothie. And then I also had 2 Brazil nuts. So I'll show you what I put in my smoothie. So I'm gonna put in probably like that much water. That's like 300 mils of water. And then I'll put in some protein powder. I usually actually weigh this, but I've kind of gotten good at figuring out how much is in it. So I put like 30 grams. Then I put in like a tablespoon of cacao to make it extra chocolatey. And then I'll put some collagen. I just get this from Collagen Co. Just put in a scoop to help with hair, skin and nails. Then I put a teaspoon of maca powder in. That's about a teaspoon. Energy, hormone support, and then blueberries, antioxidants and deliciousness. Love blueberries. And about half a cup of them. That's it.